Ah, no! Owie! Owie! No, 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 no!
Look at Mama.
No, no!
No.
Owie!
Look at Mama.
Shannon, you don't need to sit there and hold him. Ow! Ow!
You're Mama.
Don't you bite me.
Not Mom. He's laying down.
Are you tired? No. Don't you dare, monster. Don't.
Grandma, bring in the shirts and stuff.
Yes. Ow. No.
No.
No, Owie.
No. 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 Forgot to get them scissors.
Ow.
No.
Stevie, don't worry about it. Ow. Don't, you guys gotta stop laughing. It's not good for him to bite me like that. If you laugh, he thinks it's funny. He keeps doing it. No.
No.
Owie.
What if he bit Dado? No, no. No Dados.
I know you're not trying to do it. In your garage, I can work stuff that I love, like auto mechanics and stuff.
What's wrong? Are you tired?
Well, what is it? I just want to hear it.
No. No. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Oh! No.
No. Mom, you gotta show Shane that tape tomorrow.
Stevie.
Dad.